Nikon 428 and Peo in the chat. What is going on today, dude? What is this stream? What? 428 subs. Little Peo in the chat. Netrunner gifts Peo with the sub. 429. What the fuck, dude? Oh my god, man. What the hell, dude? If this is what happens when you buy Blizzard products, then I'm going to buy way more Blizzard stuff, honestly. I think I'm going to have to go on a shopping spree at the Blizzard store at this point, to be honest. Because if this is what happens, I mean, I'm going all in with Blizzard merch. Yeah.